right, baby. Think of 3 things that you would want our children to take into their marriage that they glean from our marriage.
Number one, that to put God first. Let God be the standard and the measurement, so to speak, His word for your marriage. Because that way, it's not a thing of, oh, I get my way, sometimes you get your way. It's not a sense of getting your way. It's a sense of making sure that, God's word is it. What's right. So definitely, number one would be God's word. Number 2 would be selflessness. Don't go into a marriage as a single person. Go into a marriage as a married person. Because when you go in as single, you're thinking about me, what am I going to get from it? What am I going to withdraw instead of what God has put me in this place to exchange? So definitely go into the marriage as a married person. Number 3, I would say commitment. That we stay committed to one another. We stay committed to God and to one another, and to make sure that we gonna do this thing, and not just get out when it's hot. Right. It's about getting through it when it's hot. Okay? And so I would say definitely staying in there committed through long run.